My fellow entrepreneurs, listen up. There's currently about 10 different ways that you can build business credit pretty fast. If you want to learn more about how each of these methods work, you'll definitely want to watch this entire video, and I do mean the whole thing. So stay tuned. Can't believe I'm becoming one of those YouTubers that hold the microphone. Hey guys, what up? This is Kelvin McNeil. Welcome back to my channel where we discuss financial wellness, mindset therapy, and real estate. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you're a new entrepreneur or an experienced business owner. Either way, you're interested in learning new ways to build business credit and get funding for your business. And don't worry, guys, that's what this video is about. Now, business credit and business funding is vital for the survival of any business. But I would be remiss if I didn't remind you guys how important it is to fix your consumer credit as a business owner. It should also go without saying, but business credit should be used as a tool to help drive revenue for your business and should not be used for personal reasons. With that being said, let's dive in. Although there are many ways to build business credit, everything isn't for everyone. So before you start signing up for random products and services, I want you to use this video as a point of reference because raising capital, again, for your business takes what? You say it, strategy. The very first way that you can build business credit fast is pay by invoice. Unless this is your very first YouTube video that you've ever watched about business credit, which if it is, I'm honored. I'm pretty sure you've heard about net 30s, right? But for my newbies, I'll make it pretty simple to comprehend. A net 30 account is a corporate vendor account that will allow you to purchase a product or service for your business while paying by invoice. So let's say you place an order today. Well, they'll give you 30 calendar days to pay back the full balance. And doing so in a timely manner helps you build business credit by showing you have a proven track record of upholding your financial obligations. And it doesn't stop there. If your business is brand new without no existing payment history, some vendors may approve you for lesser payment terms like a net 15 or even a net 7. For example, Amazon has an invite-only pay-by-invoice program that gives you net 30 terms. And of course, this will be an ideal net 30 account for any business in any industry because no matter what, I'm pretty sure that you can find things that you need for your business on Amazon. But before you ask, there's no guaranteed way to secure an invite for this exclusive program. But once you open an Amazon Prime business account, they'll automatically review your account and your business to decide if they want to give you that special invitation. But from my personal opinion, though, I do feel like, of course, once you start using your Amazon Prime business account and placing a few orders, it may help. Now, the second way you can build business credit is by using a credit monitoring service. Believe it or not, there are business credit monitoring services that will report your monthly payments to major business credit reporting agencies. Look at it this way. If you're interested in building business credit, why not get credit for doing something you already got to do anyway, which is reviewing and checking your business credit report? There's a few different companies that offer credit monitoring services for your business, but only a few will report those payments to major business credit reporting agencies. And when I say payments, I'm talking about paying for the credit monitoring service. So my top recommendation has always been NAV. NAV offers a business credit monitoring service called NAV Prime that allows you to monitor your business's Experian, Equifax, and also your FICO SBSS score for a low monthly price. And every month that you pay your credit monitoring fee, they will report it to Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian, which are three of the major business credit reporting agencies. Now, the third way that you can build business credit is using an on-demand payment reporting service. There are services that will allow you to get credit for paying your monthly business expenses that don't automatically report to any of the major business credit reporting agencies, right? So for example, the largest business credit reporting agency, which is Dun & Bradstreet, offers one of these products, and it's called Credit Builder Plus, which allows you to add up to 12 different trade references to your D&B credit profile. They report the history of the payment trade lines, the frequency in which you make payments, and the amount of each payment made, which has a big impact on your company's risk rating. However, just to give you guys a heads up, it is a little on the pricey side for startups, with Credit Builder Plus starting at around $149 per month at the time of this recording, and the Credit Builder Premium plan costing an additional $50 per month. But with that, you get an unlimited number of trade references, and then you'll also get all of your D&B ratings and scores with all of the plans that they offer. Now, another great option if you prefer a more affordable option, something that I recommend, which is eCredible Business Lift. Now, for half the price, you get an unlimited number of trade references for most of the bills you're currently paying, again, in your business name, while accessing other important data. Now, recently, eCredible Business Lift added the ability for you to also monitor your Equifax business credit scores and a copy of their report for an added fee. And if you want to learn more about that service, I've made multiple videos, but I'll go ahead and drop a link to a few down in the description below. Now, the fourth way that you can build business credit fast is through secured business credit cards. Now, this one in particular is really important for my new business owners and entrepreneurs with bad credit. The key thing to note here is that not all secured business credit cards report to major agencies. However, it's important to build and establish a relationship with your primary bank. So if they offer one, you should definitely consider getting one with them so that you can have a better chance of getting funding with them in the future. But for the sake of this video, let's just focus specifically on ones that do report so you can build business credit. Do your own research, find out which ones actually do report. And then lastly, depending on your approval, you may or may not have to actually put a security deposit down. Now, if you want a recommendation from me, one of the best secure business credit cards out there is the one that Bank of America offers. But keep in mind, they will issue you a hard credit pull. With any credit card that you apply for, you want to do your own research to find out whether or not you will be receiving a new credit inquiry. But in the end, if you use it responsibly, it will absolutely improve your chances of getting approved for a higher credit limit with the unsecured credit card in the future. With most of these secured cards also having the ability to be automatically upgraded to an unsecured card within the first year. And the fifth way that you can build business credit fast is by utilizing what I call corporate charge cards. These are virtual or physical cards that are granted to your business with the EIN only credit application. The biggest difference between a charge card and a credit card is you'll need to pay off the full balance each month. So it's sort of like having a net 30 account without the limitations of where it can be used. A lot of big banks out there have these charge cards, with the most popular one, in my opinion, being American Express. However, most of the well-known creditors that focus on lines of credit as their premier product, like Amex, will require you to have good credit even to be approved for a charge card. So instead, I would recommend starting with a startup business-friendly company like the Bill Pay and Expense card, formerly known as Divvy. Now, I frequently use my Divvy card to cover any of my daily business expenses, and then the way it works, they do have a slightly different repayment plan. Essentially, they'll just tally up all of my expenses or all of my charges over the week, and then it'll all come out automatically through ACH payments every week. So from that standpoint, honestly, it's just like a pay by invoice account, which helps you build business credit by showing that you have the ability to uphold your debt obligations consistently within a very short payment term. So think about it like this. Would you rather loan to someone who has a reputation of carrying a balance for several months on end with interest, or would you rather lend to someone who has a consistent history of paying you back in full in just 7 days?
I'll give you your money back.
So if you've ever been denied for an unsecured business credit card, the first thing you should do is focus on repairing your credit, number one, of course, and I can help you with that because I do own my own credit repair company. But second, you do need to take a step back and start with the charge card first. Use it for about 6 months, while you're improving your personal credit, and then circle back and you'll have a much better chance of getting approved.
Yes, I will do that.
Now that we've gone over the first 5 ways that you can build business credit fast, let me know if you have any questions, guys. Go ahead and drop a comment. For real, like, if you haven't noticed by now, I try to respond back to every single comment unless I just so happen to miss it at my earliest convenience. Now, on the next video, we'll talk about the next 5 ways, let's just say 5 more ways that you can build business credit fast. Let me be the first to introduce you to the most comprehensive business credit and real estate funding community ever. My name is Kelvin McNeil, serial entrepreneur, business funding specialist, and licensed mortgage broker. Who better to teach you about lending than a lender like myself? Listen, guys, there's so much value in this community, including my popular course by the name of Capital Freedom, which includes over 60 plus educational videos about how to raise capital for your business without wasting time or money. In addition to getting access to Capital Freedom, inside this community, we will also include weekly live sessions hosted by yours truly with special guest appearances, my proven business credit blueprint for entrepreneurs with both bad credit and a separate one for good credit so you can expedite the process, then a DIY credit repair process with dispute letters. Next, you'll also get the 6-figure business funding broker program. And because I'm on a mission to build the most engaging and supportive community, we'll be hosting exclusive networking events as well. You'll even have an opportunity to be interviewed by me to showcase your business and or products to fellow community members. So if you're a new or aspiring entrepreneur or a small business owner looking to grow your business, or a real estate investor looking for creative ways to access OPM, I would love to welcome you into the GreenScale family, which is a supportive community of like-minded individuals where each one teach one is our motto. So again, if you're interested in learning creative ways to raise capital for your business, become a business credit expert, and get access to hundreds, and I do mean hundreds of lenders with thousands of loan programs, it's time to make GreenScale Academy your new home. Oh, and one last thing, because this is essentially the soft launch, of GreenScale Academy on the school platform for a limited time only, all right, limited time, I'm offering everything I just mentioned for only $29 per month. And anyone who joins the waitlist right now will be grandfathered in to this discounted price, which is literally less than $1 per day. So, all right, guys, it's time to become self-paid in the shade. And I got just one question for you. What are you waiting for? Come on and join, and I'll see you on the inside. If you found anything in this video even remotely helpful, please do me a favor by dropping a like, subscribing for more content, and share this video with like-minded individuals. I'll see you guys on the next video. And until then, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your morning, afternoon, or evening, whatever time of the day it is. And I'll catch y'all on the next one.